The weather was perfect. Cloudy, sunny, and warm. But honestly, I just wasn't feeling it.
Most of the walk, I didn't even want to lift my camera to my eye. Twice, I thought about asking for a portrait, but I didn't. Looking back, I regret it.
But here's the thing. Every creative hits this. Writers call it writer's block. For us, it's photographer's block. The truth is, it happens. And when it does, it's easy to feel like, what's the point? Maybe I'm just chasing compliments for my work. Maybe it feels pointless at times.
You have to make sure that you do actually take some photos.
But that's not the whole
Am I
story.
smelling bacon sandwiches? Smelling somewhere. I don't know whether it's bacon sandwiches. It says breakfast sandwiches. You fancy a bacon sandwich?
So if you're watching this and you felt that same lack of motivation, remember this. It's normal. Don't wait for inspiration. Just pick up your camera, head out the door, and see what happens. You'll be surprised by what you come home with.
Because even on days like this, where I don't feel inspired, I still walk away with something. A handful of images, a story to tell. And maybe most importantly, the simple act of getting outside, talking, walking, and being present. It's good for the mind. It's a mental health boost. That in itself is worth picking up the camera.